Entin Chebia, and I'm bro video catch us say Nigerian content creator, yeah Big Jiggy. Wabel Bonadrin Altre Shatta Wale. And for the 40th birthday celebration, of course, we are crying Penyah Square. Big Jiggy, ever see it on the Peller no. You know, Big Jiggy at the end. Wabel Bonadrin Altre Shatta Wale. We are comedian as well. Biscout Nana Prempe. Any Peller, any other content creators. I'll reply. Big Jiggy, ever any more word in fact. And say we catch Big Jiggy now. Enya se mukoma me ma nchiri mu no akere wadwe ama me e wo comment section I Penyah Blog Media me so say need mo obe like video no other mo subscribe button so by click notification code of latest update aba kere wadwe ama me e wo comment section me so baso no a share for so anya bi ahwe now to for social media be bia Facebook, Instagram, Telegram be bia your honomo at Penyah Blog Media. Follow here, they be part of the family. Now let's go to the story. Obekaya weekends now. And a birthday because we're gonna birthday change Shatta Wale in the 40th birthday. A course so Ewa Kra Independence Square. Emma a dom book castle just a dom a buy Ghana high who be that. Over 4 million people are pulling up for Shatta Wale in the birthday celebration course Independence Square. And because a free show in Tina don't buy us but a free show. I remember Yadema Hama Kuratana Ghana Kunyasun, where you don't baby. Upon the day this 4 year bus is a cover for any baby and my couldn't make it dumb baby. This Shatta Wale no Charlie were bigger than any politician Wale big when it comes to fan base. Wale iron homework here. When it comes to strong fan base, why any homework near pa and the Wale why any homework near. Nenyama wa come any one man in trade in a TV no when you was with me die. But when it comes to strong fan base, Wale wa build the one homework here pa yes or domwa. Ombona chido ombodon the pay ye eternity akonya senyinemo the birthday 40th birthday celebration so my honor we invite Peller, Nigerian streamer, any Big Jiggy, Nigerian content creator, any music promoter or mobile say but how is it called and I say Wale invite to on stage or target Peller as biggest streamer and or target Big Jiggy as just a mere fan of Shatta Wale and no Big Jiggy then it also by life. My life, I'm born out doing Shatta Wale. I say, we so disappointed in Shatta Wale. He never expected say Shatta would disrespect him like this. Or I say, now I say we know be kind. I know, Anna Biscout Prempe, and Peller, and other content creators. I can be chile, Big Jiggy.
Anyway, wo ye dede e wo ye internet no so say Shatta Wale o ba ye no wa ma no attention na say ni see no. E to de bi wo a me blame ye Ghana for no. Ya so sanko fo we so sama enne kra no omotiye memu ejimi omotiye memu ejimi no wonder say sa akoye ofra na ye ibokini waba betena eye Ghana aye no say wo ye king yan ya so sanko fo we so Shatta Wale o ya big star me ankenya wo a ankasa akwase we anka minim no ankenya wo a anka minim no but I say, fame na ekuta yen Ghana for no, and I say, ye stars no, and ya kwa say, omu who the kind of ahoden any to me, and our fame ne ekuta omono, and ya kwa say, omu who so faso, and ya kwa say, omu who how powerful they are. Shatta Wale, she ni padoma Independence Square and upuli ye. She ni padom upuli, ni padu say. Sa kwa siya wo ye dede Davido anase Burna Boy anase Wizkid edin be on the stage so onye obia but ene because of what Shatta Wale wama even Nigerians na omunim na kura no mahu no because of what Shatta Wale wama Ghana for ye nyina ye kura ye hu no mekura na menim no onye obia but ene wama na ba be ye obi ama enne onu timi we gina be keka nkwase asem say ana obae no wanya attention bia obi etimi di stage unim the number of people na sada no omu hia sa stage no so afro mia minya ba shela na champion ne ba girl shela bonuma anka we hia this kind of opportunity mia minya ba shela anka we hia this kind of opportunity because the girl is good. Ako jina sa stage we so just 2 minutes kurana anka Ghana fo nyina bete nka ba oye Ghana ni wanya sa opportunity no na wo kwase ampanyi wo Nigeria ni aye fraud de ben wo Shatta Wale etimi edwa fi Nigeria bagana at the south stage way amount uwie ya wo se wa ma attention kwasia you be fool kwasia Penyah mon translate mano kwasia Penyah wo se wa ma attention anka attention be na ka be se ko de ma Shatta Wale Vice Cartel will promoting Vice Cartel that prison now Shatta Wale was promoting Vice Cartel. Shatta Wale extra ticket or no the bottomska extra ticket for the lava or my air Vice Cartel. Or no the bottomska extra ticket echo support air Vice Cartel. Wasia Obano and Shatta Wale extra ticket. Baby, I'm a guy, no, and yes, Shatta Wale ne Makwadaho. Ujain, you are a fool, Jigga or whatever you call yourself. You are a fool. What a gun for the for assembly so home. Obviously, and Shatta Wale won't talk, Sabi, a bunny say a becker be a man, there be, ye Ghana for the so better say, ye, Koyan Tokwa. Now, a Nigerian enough fee say, dear, Obeba take advantage of wow, Debbie. We support our own, but internally, need ye. Big Nation is SMDA, you went to Kwako. But ye may support you. Vice Cartel, Shatta Wale a Chani ticket. Echo supporting because of the lava or mano. Wo Obano and yes, Shatta Wale and a try ticket at the mouth. And then Shatta Wale and a pebble be at the mouth die. And ye be being of a yo. Vice Cartel, Shatta Wale a try ticket a coin. Shatta Wale on money platform. And none of the benefit of Penyah. What's our question? Penyah way and Nipa be hunua because of Shatta Wale. Even though who will follow us, Shatta Wale no commanded the street. Shatta Wale no influence the followers. But Vice Cartel Ebuan or Queen Biso, and my Jamaica for any viasi in Ehuno, and no name faso, and no enemy faso. Nana prepare me peston boy as me. Men ka stone boy when you sika mame and I stone boy when you bibi mame o Debbie say stone boy e post me baako kra na eno me mfa so a ewiase nyina be hu me say oh your guy be a blogger I friend Big Scout and stone boy e post me page Big Scout nana prempe page you know problem e ba ho e ma page obi hack ye stone boy e post me within a day. Ya gyimii page every me some army be a BigscoutMedia for and a stone boy me catch as a stone boy ya gyimii page every me some no oh ready or sorry and I'm new page now me be no stone boy I shared it to a year in status was share it to the Facebook within short time na enipa 10,000 I follow me back within short time within a day na enipa 10,000 I say who me new page no and no name for swa menya de free nipa no Mr. Stoneboy airboat show crowd a year a crown na say ha me ba Ghana year 2023 and the beam festival no man friend mpo I can't tell the Stoneboy me have VIP ticket o I just went there with my guys me told me ticket just to support him say be onu so benya bibi because we aboka I can make my fresh stone me here ticket for 2 or 3 people. I could be mammy. But just because of some penasem, now me person supporting it, you know. Me chia ticket. Me chia car edema fanta black. And me guys and no home. Because of the lava me woman. If you told the boy no follow boys in any idea. Mama man in your mind say all the time be mu here be the free omo. That bio. Nipa na wo ben no. Nipa na wo ne nam no emfa so be na wo so be ye de aboa ho Shatta Wale e wo din no e di se Shatta Wale e ma wo ben no na wo ne nam a wo mom na wo se wo yusu adwene wo mom na wo se wo yusu adwene se ne be ya followers na Shatta Wale e wo no e ye den ya fans ne be pe wo so wasem fans no so be pe wasem kwase ye ofri Nigeria ba ye a owo over be 3 million a year followers yi Ufi say a Nigeria for one follow nana. Shatta movement for also follow no. Shatta movement e follow no. And no na you know cause because omo will say omo pay, omo will say omo boss na sem. So they will follow him. I don't know fast war. And no fast war. Wo bagana. Shatta Wale in the platform way amount. wakwa akogina so ato enwuma a wosa woto ede be biom na ka besa koye ma wo anko mfa wo hye akiri ana anko mfa wo nenam te se de boy ba ko ne baaye no wo ye na na boy ba ko no baaye no de antia wonya sa opportunity ne se satam na show bia no a ekoso na show bia no a ekoso obi organize big show ama wabo fiti eye enwumre akwakosi anopa ade achi e wose o rest wo de edu Sunday enwumre a wodimnika aso camera e de esi so say Shatta Wale entry ti wo ye obi akwakobo show ama wabrese Ghana for mo fantu mutrimu enu kwase esoso nkwasiafo so biem obi akwakobo show ama ade achi anka wo de twen ebia Monday Tuesday mpo na ebia na won tone kakra wo bese Sunday na wo sorry ya na wo kwase mpanyi oba be fa wa na ayese me blame no me blame Ghana artists mo na me blame mo because enyemu a anka kwase we emeso camera eme disrespect eye Shatta Wale mo na me blame mo edika wunya antoboase a anka ebia ade achi ye no anka Shatta Wale ebeto ne sample e dia afro but eya kwakwa ese one boy ba ko se Peller o se de ben no utimi say one no wo some problem bi ntino eya kwakwa ese because of that ntino I say onu feel say ekwan a ye de sa boy ne fa so no Shatta Wale entry ti ne senti eye ne ya but e wo se ohu say sa boy ne ba no na show bi ani ho enu ti na Shatta Wale nya time e de ma no endika wo twen kakra e bia Shatta akobenya time de ma wo because Shatta a minim no we nipa bia fine e wom se tode bo a menene nya adwene but Shatta epenipa Shatta enim si bia ye welcome nipa Shatta onim si bia ye welcome nipa enti eno kwa de se bi wotan okoduo kra na wayi ne America Shatta on ferisika on feris obeye o show Shatta umani hu se opewa asema umani hu se opena asema de Shatta be ya mawiase nyina ehunu obeye sanso na Shatta so opewa asema obeye bibia hwe vice cartel udimi say oda prison nyina na Shatta esende ne kakra oda prison nyina udimi say na Shatta osende ne kakra eno na building the kind of relationship I want on in them eto de bi wo ha so wo pe artist bi asema eni kwan say wo expect say ni pande be won spend on you wo so ye bibi afa bo nipa no too much mesre Ghana artists there were so many people I was say mo bomb abaso mo promote wo mo obi say don't tilo Shatta Wale don't tilo wa promote you Shatta Wale just wa kunto kwa the amount so many times anka show bi say no Shatta nanka bloggers ahodo a omo kunto kwa the maw bloggers ahodo a omo do omo ni monyam atofom ema nkofo 88 aso no na mafrɛ wo mo Kadontilo say na kwa twa ticket the amano all the way from Dubai na Kadontilo wababa enjoy bi na ka odi na gina platform no so ama Shatta movement hina wo say entokwa Kadontilo ekoma Shatta Wale no sabi wonya so fa so eba ne sana ehye afoforo nkran obi edi nanimonyam obi ese na daje edi akon amawa onfere onso fashe ho odi ne nkwakra odi beto ho edi amawo ba mo sorry a na mo de makwakwa fa sa alatafo mumbuye no upon the yema alatafo ni they have no respect for Ghanaians but there be o mo beko makwakwa fa we aketo de bo Adontilo otimi ye your friends a party in the yacht and as a ship like a Shatta Wale one day be what should that go no akwa support the boy no it's about time let's support our own send a beya ye na be Penyah bloggers ahodo aye boa artists sa akwadie Stone Boy omu nyina o bloggers ahodo ye promote omu ebo omu ho ban me Stone Boy oba Germany e bia na me ba na obosha was a booming best scout in the building and non quackete Emma Mitia Kakraka. Best scout in the building and non quackete Emma Mitria Kakraka. So imagine, says Stone Boy Abomidin, Ewayi, Ebama me Concrona me the Bewo Edama Stone Boy because Stone Boy recognize a ye Adia me ya the supporting no. me waha ana stone boy ne yere eso a big nation ho ntade ho nooma ho eche ho eye first hoodie ono mo so di free Ghana e de brem e wo Germany a me ye video crowd edit ho omo so di free Ghana ne yere no eje eye me din me address keke me wo ha within short time and me nya pass no ntade efa big nation ntade be break club t-shirt we they appreciate everything. Menso me ko Ghana na menso me hwe na bia metima to bibi dia kwa akwache nipa na ma to bibi dia kwa akwache no ewiase no benkum dware nifa na nifa so dware bonkum enti mesre Ghana artists mamu so Nigeria for no so because they don't love us, they don't give a fuck about we Ghanaians. Mumian support our own big nation. Shatta wonyen funzo bia forget will be a member so Shatta so be son life and the massa akwasi ampenyi we on me do ho ya fucking because e yakwa say Ghana artists mo shede nim the kind of power and munyam a ekuta mo Penyah boy eba be Penyah boy oba Ghana wo Shatta Wale wo na ma Penyah boy Penyah boy Shatta Wale ne ma Penyah boy Penyah boy but ehwene omu nyina omu ho omu say they are too big abusia ye fancy ya na Ghana for ne dey na eto de bo artist ye tumufo a nim de hamo maso so sankwase afo we so eye omu ti sinika ase omu ye say maso so sankwase afo we so ama omu feel say they are bigger than us football kra no omu nimbo and Ghana ye call World Cup Nigeria for mo twa omobo we are better than them in every way, in every aspect. We are better than them. Even
though I offend you, I swear to you not get the right to go block that, to go block Shatta Wale or learn about. You know me. Why you go block Amu? Now he fights you. The person only want peace. You said the guy they want treatment. They want princess treatment. Come on, there. You want princess treatment. For another man land. You don't know, say, now when see me, I don't reap. Now here they cassava ram. I mean, now here they block. Me, I come here, I never see Shatta Wale all these days, so I don't come. I they do my tour. From here, I they go Kenya, but they get issue for Kenya. So I know go Kenya again. We change location. I they go places. Because of Shatta Wale, this Shasi feast. Now why I still there here till today. So tomorrow when they come out, they will give you that princess treatment, princess treatment. They will give you, but you are now beefing. You are now saying, fuck Ghana, fuck the city, fuck fake people. No now, Shatta Wale, guys. Let me tell you one secret. Where the guy no yesterday, Shatta Wale even give the guy stage. Shatta Wale take me go back. He won't make the guy perform. He enjoy himself. Shatta Wale use scope take me go back. I mean I understand, so me I follow him. But when me and Shatta Wale can't go back, the guy did not hear. Hey, Jiggy, hey, Jiggy. The guy got they feel like he got the me they pass around the stage like maybe all these people go loyal to you. They no loyal, you go to another. But those people they are not looking only me and Shatta Wale in the back. Bro, Shatta Wale only take me to his wife and say, this is my wife. And he no one make I go distract the guy as they sing for because bro. That plenty crowd, don't let you want make harm, abi. I go dead there France. They dance. I don't plan what I want dance yesterday for that stage. I go do all the backflips. I go do everything for the stage. But later I will leave the stage for you. Say you're not coming up. Us we help people. I leave it for you. But you go home. You are even doing video. You are not posting on TikTok that you beat me outside, bro. If you beat me. If you take me to back cycle, because I know sabi fight to. If you beat me, you will see war. You can't even see me. Normal, you don't see me till you die. You know, but even though you beat me in the dream, bro, problem is there is a problem. Even though not be you even beat me, maybe person beat me outside. Now we are holding responsibility. If anything happens to me, 2 years today, it's you we are holding. You know, concern me. Yesterday when they perform, especially in the perform song yesterday for that stage, I did dance to On a not see correct. I dey dance oh. Guys, see that boy. You go unfollow Shatta Wale. You unfollow Shatta Wale for Instagram everywhere. You go delete Shatta Wale song where you don't do for him. Because he say they no call him SMU Prince. If you be SMU Prince, where's he be made in Ghana? Can you see? And the boy, you people they start say Shatta Wale give me more attention than the boy. Now lie you. I swear so much God, this is I don't come to Ghana, I never see Shatta Wale. You know, say me I come for my Tony. I lay yesterday night. And Shatta Wale even give him a show. Say me go perform his song where he won't blow. He go perform him. You see they do this thing. I don't know for him. Now problem with that see. No, let's talk about it. Now just leave him. The network, I don't even know maybe on that is.
We have a wagon. We have a normal red.
Don't talk about him. No, the red is jealous. I don't know what he will be jealous for my body because they shout so many. Don't be. He go far. He go and follow Shatta Wale. You must say now whiskey fancy. You go and follow whiskey like that. They go far. You see they are costly. You see they sleep for that man apartment. Guy, you know be better person. And the guy, they call my WhatsApp, we go they beg. Say make I ever do live stream that time. We won't blow a song. You know, I know real people. If I see real people, I swear to my face. If I see real people, I don't know them. The guy knows I get something for.
To the wide mama, comment section. I how you Penyah BigscoutMedia.